Hey, Health Berry fam, imagine this. Summer's here, you've got that perfect dress or those shorts you've been dying to wear, but there's one thing stopping you, those pesky old scars on your legs. If you're tired of hiding behind long pants, stick around because today, I'm revealing the secret recipe to fade those scars fast and naturally. I've got 5 tried and true remedies, and the last one, it's a total game changer that almost no one knows about. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. Scars are like your body's natural band-aid. They form when your skin heals after an injury, which is great. But let's be honest, they're not the prettiest things to look at. But here's the good news. With the right care, we can help them fade into the background. Alright, now, for the fun part, let's get into these natural remedies. You won't believe how easy it is to make these scars less visible. Number 1. Aloe Vera Gel Aloe Vera Nature's Miracle Gel. Known for its healing properties, it's perfect for soothing and regenerating skin. Just break off a leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to the scar. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Do this twice a day, and your skin will thank you. Number 2. Honey the Golden Elixir. Honey? It's been a go-to for wound healing for centuries, and for good reason. It's packed with antioxidants and creates a protective barrier on your skin. Just slather a bit of raw honey onto your scar, cover it with a bandage, and let it work its magic overnight. You'll wake up with your skin feeling softer and looking better. Number 3. Coconut oil. A coconut oil, the jack of all trades in the beauty world. Rich in lauric acid and vitamin E, it helps to fade scars while keeping your skin hydrated. Warm up a little in your hands and massage it into your scar in circular motions. Do this twice a day and you'll start to see a difference. Number 4. Lemon juice. Ready to brighten things up? Lemon juice is your answer. It acts like a natural bleach, lightening the appearance of scars over time. Just dip a cotton ball in fresh lemon juice, dab it on your scar, leave it for 10 minutes, and rinse. But remember, lemon juice can make your skin sun sensitive, so no sunbathing right after. Number 5. Potato slices. Now here's a surprising one, potatoes. These humble veggies are rich in vitamins and minerals that help lighten scars. Simply rub a slice of potato on the scar for about 10 minutes, then rinse. It's easy, natural, and a great way to use up that last potato in the bag. And here's the secret ingredient that ties all of this together: consistency. None of these remedies will work overnight, but if you stick with it and apply them regularly, you'll see those scars fade faster than you think. So, which remedy are you gonna try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you love these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Healthberry for more natural beauty and health hacks, and share this video with your friends. Together, we can help everyone feel confident in their own skin. See you in the next video.